Hey everybody, this is Tiffany. Today I decided to make a tutorial to show you how to customize your touch bar. A friend of mine brought it to my attention that he did not know that you could customize your touch bar, so I thought, well, I wonder if other people don't either. So, here we go. Down here in System Preferences, or wherever you have your system preferences in your MacBook, I have the MacBook Pro 2019 model, also known as the A1990, and it does have the touch bar. So you go to Keyboard, and you want to make sure that you've got Keyboard selected up here, and then down here at the bottom, there's this option that says Customize Touch Bar, so we're going to click that. And this screen pops up. You'll also notice on your touch bar that the icons to the right are wiggling, moving, however you would like to refer to it. And on the left hand side there is a blue button that says Done. So you say we want to put the screensaver slider on there, or the screensaver icon on there. Click, and you drag it down to the bottom of the screen. When you do that, you'll see it pop up on your touch bar, and when you let it go, it will stay in the touch bar and wiggle like the other icons. Even cooler, if you want to remove icons from your touch bar, all you'll need to do is on the touch bar itself, press one of the icons, and then on the left hand side you'll see a little trash can pop up. Just drag it to the trash can and it'll say remove from touch bar. And when you let it go, it'll remove it. I hope that was helpful to some of y'all. I like my touch bar customized because I don't like it to be so busy. I only like to have the things there that I really need and that are convenient for me to use. So I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Like or comment. You'll have a wonderful rest of your day.